Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you Today we're going to do unpacking and favorite video for September. Excuse me, Jenny, excuse me. And click the like button, subscribe to my channel, bell. And then today we're just going to the favorite first. Okay, and this is the fail. This is the fail. A fail. I don't like it. It's sticky. It's just not. I don't like it. It's sticky. It's supposed to be smooth, but God, the fail. It's a good color. The fail. It's the fail. And I don't like it. No, not wear it. And my say hello, Jen. And this is my favorite, the beautiful orange color. If y'all, today is Halloween, it's supposed to be a Halloween, but it's Halloween color, it's a beautiful color, favorite. So, let's not sponsor up this sweet tea. That's good. This is a weird color. Icy black is not my favorite. I like black, no polish. Favorite. And then it's got a weird color. It looks like red, blue, and lavender. It's so blue. Yeah, this is what I want. This color. And this is the fail too. I don't like it. I'm still using it. I don't like it. It makes my skin and chalky, sandy. I don't like it. Don't like it. This is my favorite. My sister's favorite. But not my favorite scent. It's soft and thick formula. It smells like vanilla, straight up vanilla, smooth. My favorite. And also, if you want to get it, it's $13. Yeah, it's expensive. Yeah. And this is the fail. It does make your hands greasy. It packs it in. I don't interested. It's got packing in. And you don't get it because don't get it. But there are some lotion are really good that's in your skin. Some lotion is just because they smell good. Just make you pack in. And today we got packaged today. My phone upcoming kids got Amazon package. And too weird. Look at there. This is my first time I haven't been sports you. If you are in sports community, don't come at me. This is my first time have it because I never had it when I was a kid. I'm so soft. So soft. First time. Yeah. It's so right. It's really soft. It's big. They're in the picture. It's big. It's soft. Because it's go ahead. good. I like it. I like it. Real good. Let me just do it again. Okay. I like it. I like it. Wow. The pants off too. I need to. Don't come at me with the good sheet because it's my first time ever have it. Be nice, be kind. Just don't come at me with proof. This is my first time. And I never had one since I was a kid. I never had one when I was a kid. Well, I heard about it, but oh, it's already. Okay, good. We're going to strawberry. Okay, yeah. Have a good day. Happy day. It's Halloween. If you have, alright, there are disclaimer. If you are a Halloween lover, because my sister is a Halloween lover, I'm not a Halloween lover. Watch. There are 31 days of Halloween on Freeform. And I think if you got, and Sci-Fi have 30 nights of Halloween. If you are a Disney lover, there are October, can pronounce it, well, for movies, equally good sometimes, some episode, and AMC is have Beer Fest for Halloween. That's until mid-October, and that be it. So have a good day. If you love to watch Halloween, when there are, or you can watch on the app. Like button, subscribe my channel, hit the bell. My social media is gonna be down in the description box. Have a good day. Bye. Goodbye.